Your number one checklist before launching your Shopify store. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to keep in mind before you're launching, and absolutely everything that's got to be ready. Your product description, your products, where you get it from, shipping times. We're going to cover exactly everything you need to know and need to check before launching your first store. Today's giveaway on a 30-minute consulting call winner is Damovicius. This guy, can I see him? Yeah, that guy. Value bumps, I want to see a look-alike video. So yeah, let's do look-alike video. If you want to make a 30-minute free consulting call with me, comment down in the description and we will get to work. My Instagram is here, dude, so you can message me there and we get on the call. So let's just don't waste any time and start. Okay guys, so this is the checklist before launching your Shopify store, or what to do before you will be investing money into it. Product checklist, it goes over absolutely everything. Product, your store, payments, but this is the product first. Product list and how a description should look. I'm going to show you an example of a good description. Can you get the product everywhere? That's the first one. Can you get it in Walmart? If you can, don't sell it at all. It's got to be a little unique, new to the market. And how is the margins, right? So my ideal range would be buying it for $20 and selling it for $55. Buying it for $20, selling for $49. Buying for $1 and selling for $21, $25, stuff like that. But when I look for products, I usually stick to $20 to $70 to make, the margins good. And if you look for products in every price category, you will see so much junk. So that is the margin part. Make sure you should at least be able to double your product. Then we come to, does the product really solve a problem? Problem solving products is so popular. It's what everyone talks about, but it's not needed. I totally recommend it to starting out. Like, let's say I could start a t-shirt brand because I know exactly what I'm doing and I have the money to invest into it. But if you're starting out, if you never made a lot of money online, just look for regular problem solvers, Classic example, the knife sharpener. You've probably seen it. Your knife is really bad. You can't stab your meat, whatever. You can't cut up your meat and stuff like that. We have the problem. Buy your knife sharpener for $29. Your problem is solved. So much better than just a t-shirt. But I mean, the difference between like a 6-figure, 7-figure dropshipping store and a 8 to 9-figure brand is, they sell stuff like shoes, teeth whitening. But I wouldn't start there. Is your product cool? If it doesn't solve a problem, is it cool? Like, I love to sell lamps. Lamps are one of my favorite things to sell. And they don't solve a problem, but they're really cool. So if you look for something that's like wow factor, like wow, I've never seen this thing before, but it looks so cool. It doesn't really solve a problem, but this thing is cool. It creates sort of like an impulse buy, right? And is the product unique? That goes to, like I said, can you get it everywhere? If you can get it everywhere, it's not unique at all. So you gotta introduce something new to the market. And a good description on a product should be 3 paragraphs, either more is good, 5 is good, but 3 paragraphs and 1 to 2 pictures and shipping info. So I'm going to show you guys one of a guy I'm currently working with. Here we got his beard straightening comb. By the way, guys, my first 6-figure product ever. Relaunched it this year, works every single year. So we have the currency converter. By the way, really good app. We have reviews as well. Here you can see it looks really clean. Add to cart, buy with PayPal, more payment options. This one is okay to have. It's not needed, but I recommend it. Here you can see the perfect description. First, we're introducing the product. Then we have a picture. Then we have a paragraph. Then we have a picture, paragraph, picture, more paragraphs, and then the features sections, picture, paragraph on how to use specifically, and then we have a picture and paragraph and save checkout, and we have reviews. This is one of the best descriptions. So guys, here you go. You got the description, you got the layout. Obviously you make it your own way, but you now have the layout of the description. Now we go to how does your store look? Is it spammy? That's the first one. What a bad store? The definition of a bad store is pop-ups. Like, someone in Chicago just bought this, someone in Los Angeles just bought this, someone is currently checking out, 40 people are currently watching this product. Put in your email for 10% off. You are distracting your customer. Your customer is coming to your product, not to your idiotic pop-up. So get rid of all of them. No one of them are good. You could do like a 10% off email thing when you go in, but just get rid of them. It's so bad. Only apps I use is Look Reviews, Currency Converter, and obviously Oberlo. Are your niches related? If you're doing a general store, it would be a little bit weird to do, fishing and relationship, or like, let's say, cars and beauty doesn't go together at all. is your product in a decent quality? You definitely got to make sure it's in a decent quality, right? People don't want to buy something that's broken, and if it looks way better on the picture than it's actually in real life, that's not really good. You also want to have a refund policy, a really simple one. You want to say 100% refund policy if the product is not working, or if they don't like it, they can't refund it. You got to be a little strict, right? And if they bought it, it's totally their fault. It's not a scam at all. So make sure that they can refund if it's broken, and just the reason we're having a refund policy in the first place is to make the customer feel safe. If we have a refund policy, they feel safe that we are more legit, even though most people won't even check anything else in your product's description and they buy it. You want to have high quality pictures. That one is so important. I can't stress enough. Get high quality pictures. You need to have really, really good pictures. High quality. Get rid of all the bad pictures because they will just turn the customer off. Never. How often do you go into a online store that has bad pictures, right? And then have the product names. You don't want to have a long AliExpress name. You want to shorten it down, right? You don't want to have like knife sharpener, 4-in-1 automatic, way more stuff. You just want to have like quality knife sharpener, whatever. And payment methods, really important. You want to have Stripe and you want to have PayPal. You could use Shopify payments too, but Shopify payments is powered by Stripe. So I recommend just getting your international bank account number and setting up a PayPal, no, a Stripe. So you just do Stripe or Shopify payments or Stripe or PayPal. That's cool. Just accept credit cards and accept PayPal. And then maybe you gotta make your store simple and not perfect. Your store doesn't have to be good. I've had contests with my friends having the worst domain and the worst store, and to see who of us that makes the most sales. And it's totally possible. So don't waste 2 weeks building your store. Make it simple, make it clean, don't make it advanced. It doesn't have to be perfect, but obviously it's got to be a little cool. Your domain shouldn't have numbers in it, and it should not be .myshopify.com. You know, you got to customize, you got to pay for it. And then you got to have a contact us page. That's just a regular page. You can just Google how to set up a contact us page, but you want to have a page for contact and support. General checks, your shipping methods. Can you offer e-packets? What can you offer? Can you offer AliExpress standard shipping? Can you ship to the most basic countries? Just do that. Check the days. If it's like 50 days, that's a little too much, but 15 to 25 days, that's cool. Make sure to offer free shipping to start with, because it's so turn off for people when you don't offer free shipping. You could just upsell them. $5 if you want to have express shipping, which is just the e-package. Double checks, payment related. You want to do a test order with both PayPal and Stripe, or like both credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, just to see that it works. And you want to set up a social media. You want to have an Instagram. You don't need any followers. People tell you that you need it. No, you don't. People will see it and they will buy it. But if they can't see it on Instagram if you haven't set up an Instagram and connected it with your Facebook, right? And then you want to set up your Facebook pixel. You just go into Shopify, then you go to online store, and then you go preferences, and you scroll down, and there will say pixel ID. Just create a Facebook pixel. You can Google it. Tanner Planet has an awesome video on how to make a Facebook pixel, but just paste the pixel into your store and you're good to go, because without the pixel you won't be tracking anything. And that is the video for today, guys. Hope you're getting more confident on what to check out before you're launching your store, and I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure to subscribe.